Welcome back, my viewers and subscribers. Big super the outer license, the outer license community people. And I see where some workout to take place on the road. Yeah, my viewers and sub, I see where some work how to take place on the road. So my viewers and subscribers, me the outer license. And I see where some cone, them erect some cone. And I don't know if it's severe them or severe them doing on the road this morning. But Big Super, we take a walk in the direction of the Princess Margaret Hospital and look what's taking place. So stick and stay and follow me. Yeah, some viewers and subscribers, they're out here. It's a nice, cool, nice Tuesday morning. And the road wet. Yeah, the road damp. You can look at it and you can see. You can see say, the road damp, my viewers and subscribers. Yeah, the water truck a pass through. So Big Super up on the road here this morning, and we don't know what's going on this morning. So we just a pass through. We see a whole heap of cone two sides the road. And we see people with shovels and I don't know if a pickaxe and all these things, so we don't know if it's some cleaning up or go on the road there to prepare it, to asphalt it. It's there in the vicinity of the Princess Margaret Hospital. So we just take a walk this morning, we just take a look. And we don't know as usual if we can get anybody to talk to. We don't know if we can get anybody to talk to. Whoa, sorry about that, you're right. Yeah, man. I support the road people. So we don't know if we can get anybody to talk to tell you what going on the road there this morning. But you don't know as usual, Big Super walk through and we see where bless up. And we see where the people them on the road. I do some work and think, hi nice lady, how are you? Alright, she's scared. She don't want her husband here. Yeah man, so my viewers and subscribers, we are walk through the road there and we are look. And we see some nice job are going, good work are going, sidewalk are clean up and things are prepared up. So it's a good look like the Chinese them out in them numbers. Blessed me general, one love. It's like the Chinese them out in them numbers, my viewers and sub. Road are clean up, so we don't know if they are prepare it. If they are prepare the road to asphalt it, but it's a good look because always I say the road needs to clean because you can't work on the road and you have all type of dirt and debris all over the place. My viewers and sub. Yeah man, so we're there and we're out. A license with the in the vicinity of Princess Margaret Hospital, and we are make a walk on the ground to look what go on this morning here. And I see my little friend, hello you. Hello, you not talk to me, I know you know because you're little in our body. Yeah, alright. That's nothing. So my viewers and sub, we here to report to you this morning that we're there on the grounds. Outer license. We just left out of the license beach and we see where some cleaning up and take place on that stretch of road here where them are clean off the sidewalks and all these things, and which is a good look. It's a tidy look. You understand what I say? And I don't know if them are plan to get this stretch of the road here finish up, but I hope them I get this road, this part of the road I look after because this day at the hospital, and you look away if you see you there, in the vicinity of the Princess Margaret Hospital, and you know have a nice and decent road. So my viewers and stuff, we're out here in the morning and We don't know if we say work resume. We don't know if we say work resume, because normally you would see the grader on the road. You don't see the grader. You see them have human and them are clean up the road this morning. So I don't know what the way forward. Can't get nobody to talk to from this stretch of this resumption start. We can't get nobody to talk to. Everybody just hush. Like, you know, nobody now talk. So we are make a walk because we see some cone. We see some cone down there. We see some cone down the hill. My viewers and subscribers. So we are make a walk. But down the road here and thing, we are look where I go on down this side. So stick and stay and follow me. Alright, my brethren, bless up. Yeah, so Brooks that, my people, Brooks. So my viewers and sub. We're in the vicinity of the Princess Margaret Hospital. And we see some cleaning up work are going to the sidewalk and to the curve and channel. And we are taking a walk this morning and we are heading in the direction of Dumfries, and we don't know how far down on the road this is going or this will take place, but Big Super and make a walk in the direction of Dumfries to see what I go on, and we don't know if we're going to get anybody to talk to, so stick and stay. Yeah, look at the truck come over the hill. Come over the hill, so the truck come over the hill, my viewers and stuff. So we make a walk on the road here, and we just bring on a small little clip. I will see I go on, and we see some work I go on in the direction of the Princess Margaret Hospital, and it's a good look. Them are clean up the sidewalk, them are clean up the curve and channel. So I don't know if me should say work resume, but for now, that's it, my viewers and subscribers. Big Super out in license, heading towards Dumfries. So remember to like, share, subscribe. Remember to turn on your post notification bell. Remember to watch out my ads paper and things. Just do the right thing. Big Super on the road. Same to you guys. Peace out.